This is the SANUS Super Slim Premium Full Motion TV Wall Mount, which fits TVs 40 to 84 inches and holds up to 125 pounds. This super slim mount places your TV just 1.86 inches from the wall for a sleek look, and extends up to 13 inches from the wall, allowing you to swivel your TV for a perfect view from any seat in the room, and eliminate glare from lights and windows by tilting your TV down 8 degrees. Easily organize your component and power cables. Thinking of cutting the cord? Check out our streaming device panel to hide your streaming device or other small accessories behind your TV. After installation, you can easily adjust your TV for perfect positioning. Included wall plate covers ensure hardware is hidden when the TV is extended out from the wall. Full motion mounts are ideal when you want to swivel your TV left and right for the perfect view from anywhere. Tilts with the fingertip to reduce glare from lights and windows, making them perfect for mounting a TV above eye level, and to provide easy access to conceal your cables. Full motion mounts also add space and style to the room, and protect children and pets from TV tip-overs. Enjoy the SANUS easy 3-step install. Simply attach brackets to your TV, attach wall plate to wall, and hang your TV on the wall plate. SANUS is the #1 brand of TV wall mounts. All SANUS premium mounts are safety tested and UL certified and feature a 10-year warranty.